So where this come from? What in here and out here?
Blessed day viewers and subscribers, welcome to the boss with another video. Well, right now the video here is very emotional and it is very sad in itself, but yeah, guys, watch this video and it's like something come over me. It's like I'm saying, you know, people in Jamaica have it rough. People have it rough, you know. This man look like about in the late 70s or 80s. He was caught taking out some things out of the supermarket. Yeah. And the people them have video him and the people them say him a thief and him a this and you know, but sometimes guys, I'm not saying that he going to the supermarket and stealing is right. Sometimes things are so rough that, you know, maybe that is his last choice. And let me tell you this, I say me catch somebody at thief food or something in a bad and not so bad, because you know so one reason why they thief food, they're hungry. You say if I catch them a thief other stuff, I know no might say I comment thief or thief, but when I look on the video, I don't find it funny. I find it as something where heartbreaking, as in like, you know, you never can tell. All of us are here. We don't know when we reach a certain age, we can meet in a certain, what I call it, circumstances where you never can tell, guys. And I don't know. If nobody watch the video here, I know this man, please get a number for him and I could try, see if we can help him with some food on the behalf of me and a couple of subscribers behind the scene. If anybody, I would like to help this man. Everybody videoing and laughing. I don't hear nobody go to him and ask him why him thief, why him do this. You know, John Star. I know it's sad and if I want to might bash me say, I'm not sorry for thief and not for this, but you know, John Star. I want to watch the video, guys, and leave a comment. Yeah.
Shape like in no sense.
And I will
shouldn't take them off for him and the police won't take them off. I ain't take them out. I ain't take them out. I ain't take them out.
Take off your mask, so I'm careful.
Give me wallet. One wallet then.
We can't find it. We can't find the wallet.
One wallet.
No, you not come out. You not come out. No business come out.
6 pack of things, how much alibi?
You can't find the line.
Take out that puff on the book.
Not problema.
Daddy, how old are they?
Yeah, guys, on the see video, and you know it's shameful for him, and yeah, we don't know if him have a family where this is why he did this. Maybe in family at home, and this is his way. He probably not have no other choice. This man cannot have money and go in a place and a thief. You understand? It may be a child thing, but you know, more time as Jamaicans, guys, sometimes we see some situation, sometimes we can try highlight the problem. You understand? And everybody does a video and I say, this and that and I make fun of it. Trust me, if I was in that supermarket, if I don't want to call me fool hour, I would stop them and talk to them and say, talk to him and ask him why him do it. Why the reason why you do it, Daddy? You never can tell him story. I'm not saying again, I'm condoling his behavior. It's wrong. Nobody should be doing it. You understand? Nobody should be doing it. And I'm not saying me, say I was there now. But I ask, what's the problem? Why am I have to do it? And I would maybe take up some stuff and give him in one bag and pay for it and make him go on. I want to put that on TikTok too. Make him go on home. Understand him, talk to him. Maybe him have a wife and him have maybe, I don't know. Maybe he live by himself and him not have him not work. Oh God, Jano Star. Sad. Sad. It's sad in itself. Sad. Only hope you and family members see the video here and can give me a link. But I like for me to know how go on and yeah man. If you see food when you come on to food, guys, I am very sensitive when you come on to food. Me give a food. Because food is something where you just eat and it just bloop, come out back. You understand? So I'm gonna find this funny. Doing this video is a different feeling towards this video doing it. You understand? I have a soft spot when it comes on to elderly people and people who in dire need. You understand? Yeah, so that is just my 2 cents on it and Jano Star. It's sad in itself, but it is what it is, and I hope him. I know them all him that till police come, so more likely him get, you know. I'm going to look if I see a follow up on his story and say if I see him name or whatever, Jano Star. You know, more time. My old man in some position more time, he can ask me for money for food. So when I say this, I say I could have my old man there in one supermarket and I try to take up on 2 mackerel or bully beef, he go cook. I now say, he might go do it now. I'm just saying. I want to try to understand me. I say, all right, so elderly man, caught in supermarket, taking food stuff. All right, so bless upon yourself, guys. Put God first. One love. Peace.
So where this come from? Well, in here or out here?
Here right there, so. Don't say come now, make them time did it. And so, if I go shape like it has no sense.
And I will
You shouldn't take them off and even the police don't take them off. I ain't take them out. I ain't take them out. I ain't take them out. You know, like you might chat down. Six